Okay. Hello, friends. So today we are going to discuss about how AI has been changing our life, and we are just trying to understand about the AI technology, that how AI is going to emerge our standard lives and how we can utilize AI tools and technology to productive and to get more productive. So today's session is going to discuss about almost everything related to productivity and AI tools and technology. So if you have any doubt related to the tools and technology or related to AI, you can comment, and then we will try to address all your concerns. We will discuss about all the AI related things related to productivity. Who I am? I am a digital marketer and marketing automation specialist who are helping small businesses, entrepreneurs to make their life more productive, to utilize the content with the help of AI and automation. I'm running an digital marketing agency since more than 6 years, and I'm helping almost every kind of businesses to scale their business with the help of automation and leveraging the AI. Okay, so in this section or in this session, we are going to discuss about AI technology in three segments. First, we are going to discuss about the AI introduction, the brief of AI. Then we are going to discuss about the workflows, how AI is going to help us, and then we'll move on with advancement of AI. Okay, so let's get started about exploring the AI technology. So first of all, I just want to give you a little brief about AI, that how AI incorporates in our world and how right now AI is looking now. So everybody knows about the AI, that how AI is helping individuals and how AI is going to help the businesses. But technically, if we talk about the AI, so you can see that AI is nothing, it's a system which learn with the help of content what is available around the globe, that understand and nurture with the help of systems that recognize. Usually what happens in the traditional system, we have data, we have information, we incorporate with the data and information together, and then we pursue it with our human mind to make a decision. Now AI is playing the vital role to do these things in a manner, in the similar manner, but effective, and we are not going to repeatedly doing the same task again and again. So now with the help of AI, we can do all these systems together alongside, and we can leverage the technology to scale our productivity and businesses, or we can say our career itself. Okay, so how AI is trend in 2024, everybody knows we are living in the AI era. So we can say that AI is playing a crucial role, and AI is like something which is everywhere. You can see that in mobile phones, if we talk about mobile phones, so AI is playing a crucial role in mobile phone. We can search anything in mobile with the help of AI. Similarly, there is a technology like, we can say right now AI driven cars are there, automated cars, self-driving cars. These are also introduced, and we can see AI in everywhere, in technology, in medical, in healthcare. So it is mandatory criteria that we have to understand the technology, that how we can leverage the AI in our real life. Okay, so this is the moral of today's basic interaction. Okay, so let's understand the scenario first. We can say that how we can use the AI in our life to make us more productive, whatever it is, like if you are in a job, if you are learning, if you are studying. So how we can give a leverage, so we are understanding these things with the help of different scenarios. Okay, so let's assume that you are an employee and you are having a day-to-day operations and tasks. So how we can utilize those things with the help of AI? So that is very simple scenario, that is a task management. So how traditionally we are doing this thing, let's understand this first. Okay, so normally what we do, we just jot down all the to do things in whatever we have in our hand. We just have to understand those things. We just have to note down all the things together. Then we brainstorm the things that we prioritize manually, that what we need to do first, then what we need to do later. That's how we do brainstorming. And then later on we just perform the actions according to the task what we have in our hand. That's how normally we do the things on a day to day basis. Now let us understand how we can achieve this thing with the help of AI. So AI system is very helpful effectively to manage to do things in our life, right? So this is the system where we can just have there are multiple things with which we can achieve with the help of AI. Let us understand the very simple basic scenario. Let's assume you have a smartphone in your hand and you are just recording your voice messages over the mobile phones. Similarly, we can utilize the laptops, even any kind of smart devices which have the microphone. So normally we can just record our voice messages, record our voice commands. Let's suppose I just want to plan a travel, plan a journey. So I just record a message. I'm just planning to journey to Delhi by next week. I just need to book an hotel, and that's how I can just give a simple command with the help of voice recorder of mobile phone. That we can just use if we can use utilize any kind of note taking application like notes in Apple phone or Google Keep. So every note taking application allow us to record an voice memo. Okay, so first step is just to keep record a voice memo. Then we can just process that voice memo with the help of tools. I will give you the demonstration how it works, but I'm just trying to make you understand that how it goes. Okay, and behind the system. So first we capture the voice note. Whatever things we have to do, we can just capture it over the mobile phone or over the system with the help of normal microphone as we are just talking, right? So we give you the command, we give the summary what we have to do into the entire day or in a single task. Then we process that voice note into the AI application. There are multiple n number of AI application. The well-known application is Chat GPT. We can utilize the Chat GPT. We can utilize the Cloud AI. We can utilize Google Bard. Any kind of AI application will plays vital role here, and we can give a leverage of any sort of chat platforms here, which is totally free, right? So we can just incorporate our voice note with the help of Chat GPT. Let's assume we are using the Chat GPT here, the free version. So we can just give the leverage. Then with the help of ChatGPT only, we can decide what task has to be prioritized and how we can prioritize the things. And then later on, we can send it to our team. Either we can send to a colleague or business partner or entrepreneur. Anywhere we can just send out those tasks who is just responsible to manage those tasks. That's the ecosystem basically. Now let us understand this thing by practically understanding that how it works practically. Now I'm not going to give you the examples of voice note. Instead, I'm just going to give you the practical examples of applications available around the world, which is very easy to manage, very easy to understand. So I will give you the all resources which utilize this entire ecosystem which I have presented here. So I'm just going to share my screen. So just be with me. Just allow me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen with you. All right. So I hope it is visible to you. Okay, so I hope it is presentable, it is visible to you. So, okay, just allow me a moment. I think it's not visible to you. to manage basic tasks with the help of AI. It is a very good, well driven platform, very good, very okay. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible to you. All right. Okay, so let's understand this Taskit platform. I just make you again the login things. That is very simple. We just need to log in via the Google. Any Google account will work here. It's a very simple process and very simple account. Okay, so first, to manage things here, this is the application management, task management, or project management tool, which is totally free right now. Yes, you can. There is a limit to access the tool, but we can understand that how it works, so that you can also give leverage and you can understand the things how we can utilize this kind of tools for our daily productivity. So first we have to create a new project here. Start with blank or start with AI, whatever you can do. So we can start with AI. All right. So here we need to give the task, as I have just mentioned earlier, that for example, I was just planning a trip, right? So I just have to give a prompt here. The simple prompt, as we have written to ChatGPT or any kind of AI tools or platform. Similarly, we just have to mention here that how we are going to plan our day or any kind of activity. So let's type here. Just simple command will work here. If there is a complex activity, so you just have to give a content or context according to the activity or task. And we just need to click on chat. You can see that how beautifully in a seconds it gives all the entire things accordingly, right? I have just given a narration that I just planning a trip on next week or whatever it is, and it gives the entire blueprint for the task management. That's up. First of all, you have to do the preparation, that books book a flight, obviously that comes into the travel. Then compare the prices. It gives you entire snapshot of your to do things. You can see that you have to research. What comes under the research, it gives you a checklist. So even it is giving a package that you have to pick a luggage, you have to pick the clothes, toiletries, electronics, documents, pack essentials, then itinerary, what is the day, how many days. You can give any kind of narration what you want to have, right? If you are planning a 5-day trip, if you are planning a 10-day trips, you just have to give every information on this prompt, and accordingly AI will give you the entire snapshot of your to do things. So you can see, without using your brain, you can get an idea with the help of tool. So it is a free tool, Tasked. You can manage things. If you like this thing, you just keep create a project, and the entire to do things will be on your project. So you can track it. You can see that how it looks very beautifully. If you can change the view, if you want to look as a board view, you can see the board view. So you can drag items accordingly, you can manage list accordingly, and there are multiple options. You can view as a calendar. If you have any important dates and reminder, you can manage things. Let's suppose book a flights, you have a date, so you can enter the date. Okay, here you can mention notes, you can check in, check outs, you can mark the calendar, you can connect the calendar, you can connect with your Google Calendar or any kind of calendar which you have. You can just mention it here, right? You can connect or integrate the things here with this tool only. Okay, so this is very basic thing. the task management application, this is very powerful application. You can utilize in IT companies, you can utilize in your job day to day operation or personal productivity management. This is the must have tools in your free stuffs. Let's suppose you don't have a buying capacity to buy this tool, and the AI like they just provide very 5 to 6 AI credit to create this task. So you can utilize some other tools like ChatGPT, right? So let me give you an example how you can utilize it. Okay, just give me a moment. I'm just giving you another example of ChatGPT. Okay, so you all aware of with the ChatGPT tool. This is very powerful ChatGPT tools. This is the free version, obviously, but prompt is very important. What we are giving to the prompt as a prompt into ChatGPT or any AI tool, that is very important. It gives you the output according to your context. There are lots of videos available in the internet. You can get an idea that how you can create the prompts, right? But there are multiple AI tools. I'm not going to give you the training about how you can utilize the chat gpt. I'm just going to give you an technology snapshot that how you can get a better leverage of technology. So you just have to go and check out all these resources what I'm giving to you, and you can try it yourself. Okay, so first of all, let's suppose I just want to uh, plan a travel with the help of AI. So I give you a chat GPT first plan, then I can generate things. Otherwise, I have another tool in hand. That's with the help of that tool, you can utilize your travel plan. So let me introduce to a new tool, that is Trip Planner AI. Okay, so let's hypothetically assume the same thing. I'm planning from city Goa. Okay, and I'm just planning, let's suppose, on 30th to 2nd. Okay, so I give you the idea that select the kind of activities you want to do. So let's suppose I'm planning with family, so I can use kid family, or I'm just planning with museums. I just want to explore historical places. Whatever it is, I just have to mention the things here that I'm just planning to Goa by 30th to 2nd. I have two people or three people or four people, how many people's friends or couple or family, and then I just need to create on plan. Within couple of minutes you can have a complete entire plan with the help of AI. So you don't have to utilize your brain into that. You can see it gives you the entire rates, entire things. That breakfast will be, right now it is giving in dollars because the stores belongs to the US, but you can convert. That is more than accurate tool, so you can utilize this tool to plan your travels. Okay, so this gives you the cheap, how cheap you want to go, mid, high. So you can just utilize accordingly that, okay, I just want to do a breakfast, lunch, this is my budget, and I just want to utilize vegetarian, vegan, everything, whatever the food I like it. So accordingly I just have to give the idea, and you can see according to my plan, he gives me an AI based results, the best results what I can afford in my budget, whatever I have given. You can see the results of hotels they are giving, okay, based upon my inputs. And the kilometers is also given from the location. They are assuming the railway station or flight, airport. So accordingly, they are giving the exact results. So you can just see that how your plans or trip will be. Okay, so accordingly, if you are just fine with the travel plan, you can just customize it. You can just go with the plan. So it give you the details. You can see AI hotel finder. It give you the details. Tuesday you will here. Then you can do this thing. These are your explorative options where you can explore. Okay, so it gives you the entire picture with a couple of minutes. Okay, you don't have to put your brain into it, you don't have to explore some other places. So That's how AI is more powerful in term of research. Okay, so let's comes to our new tool and the next tool. Okay, so I hope you understand about the AI browser and normal browser. Normal browsers are those, and right now every browser is coming with the power of AI, but most of the browsers are not having the AI utility. Like Google right now is not AI browser, that is information based drive like browser. Whatever we are typing on browser, it gives you the results based upon the search queries. But we have some sort of AI browsers as well that we can utilize in our AI journey. Okay, so let's comes to our new tool, that is u.com. That is a browser. Basically what it does, basically it gives us the result based on the AI filter. Usually how it works, let's suppose I am searching on Google best restaurant near me, so it gives you the results based on the ACO. Whatever ACO is performed on the websites, it gives you the results according to that. Okay, but how AI browser will perform, it gives you the results based upon the AI will research on every website, research on every results related to that query, and based upon the query accuracy, it gives you the results. Okay, so let's suppose I just want to explore the best places around Goa. Okay, so it's not give me the results based upon the search what I have done. It gives us the results based upon the information available around the internet. Okay, so you can see it gives me a nice list of the information or places, and give me the sources as well. These are the places, these are the sources from where he is just picking up the information. You can see. Okay, so if suppose I just want to research more about these topics, I can just go and check out from where it is coming the information. So I can just click on that, I can just explore the things. So basically this is the research tool. It is a browser. u.com, this is the browser from where I can get any kind of information, any kind of extracted information I can grab from this tool. So that is very helpful when we are just doing our research work. Okay, so I hope you understand the content. Okay, so basically this is the research platform. We can do any kind of research in this AI format. So basic difference of AI browser, this is just a browser which gives result based upon the AI research. And normal browser like Google, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, or any kind of browser, those are normal browser where they gives us the result based upon our search query, based upon the SEO. Okay, so let's suppose I just want to research on anything like best movies to watch in Hindi. So it gives me the results based upon the AI. Let's see. Because I have not given the content or context, so it is giving me the result from the very old. You can see. Because I have not given the content, I just need results from this year to this year. So maybe I can give more context. So according to the context, it give me the more filtered results. Okay, so let's move to the next tool. Again, I'm just going on very good tool, that is if you heard about perplexity. Okay, so this is also another research tool. Mostly what people are doing, they are doing research on chat gpt. See, chat gpt is not mature enough right now to give you the exact information, because that is, if you heard about chat gpt, if you have gone through that, so that is the database is only updated till 2021. 2021 only the data limit of chat gpt, where the data is old. So if you want to have the research, new research data or latest trends, you have to give leverage to other research tool like Google Bird is there, Microsoft Code is there, and Perplexity is very good tool to do research. Let's suppose I just want to research based upon some content. Let's say I just want to plan social media content. Okay, so what it gives, according to ChatGPT will give you the generative AI results. Okay, but what Perplexity do? Perplexity give you the AI research results. It's research on many different top rated articles. You can see that these are the articles. Sprinkler, Sprout Social, that is a leading social media organization, HubSpot, Hootsuite, and other different sources. It resource the sources, and based upon the query, it gives me a very basic workflow that how I can manage my social media. Okay, so you can see that how I can do ideation, how I can content creation, how I can do review and approval, scheduling, promotion. It gives me the entire workflow to manage the social media. Okay, so you can get the same idea from ChatGPT, but ChatGPT give you the results based upon its own learning. So this is the basic difference of Perplexity tool and Perplexity and ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives you the results based upon their own learning, and Perplexity give you the result based upon the internet and based resources. So it's more or less research platform or research tool, and ChatGPT is more or less ideation on brainstorming tool. that that is the basic difference. Sorry. Okay, so you can do any kind of research. Let's suppose I just want to create some business ideas. Give me some trending business ideas according to my interest. I am interested to start business in education and technology. Okay, so again, as I'm just giving the context, ChatGPT is different and this is very different. So you can see that I have given an idea that I just want to start a business. I have interest in education and technology, so give me some ideas of business what I can start here. So you can see that it gives us the result from these sources. On the top head, it gives the sources from where it is procuring the results or curating the results, and then it gives the concise results based upon all the sources. Otherwise you have to personally read all the articles and then jot down all the main bullet points, and then you have to combine all the sources. But with the help of this tool, this you can done in just couple of minutes. You can see that it gives you the results that you can start an AI powered tutorial platform, you can start a skill focused learning application, you can gamify the learning for kids online. And these are all awesome ideas. These are the training ideas, because I have just asked for the training business ideas for education and technology. Ed tech, we can define it. Okay, so these are the very basic prompts I have given. And if you are not understanding the prompt, how you can give the best prompt, so there are multiple platforms here. You can just Google prompt creator, AI prompt generator. So there are lots of sorry, AI prompt generator. This is the free feed.com. This is the tool by which you can generate good prompts. Okay, so how it can give you the prompts? You just have to give the context here. I need to create a buyer persona for my products. I'm creating a digital product for college students where they can manage their day-to-day study life with the help of my digital tool. Okay, let's suppose this is the context I have given to this. I just need an accurate prompt by which I can get more accurate results rather than typing anything on chat gpt or any other tool. So what I have done, I had just created a context to this AI prompt generator, and it gives me a complete detailed prompt. You can see you are marketing specialist who experts in creating a buyer persona for digital. I have not given this content to the chat gpt or any content provider, you can see. So it gives me a complete brief prompt to me by which I can generate the content very accurately. You can see that you are a marketing specialist who exercise in creating a buyer persona for digital products. Your expertise lies in understanding the target audience, their needs, performance, and pain points. Your task is to create a buyer persona of a digital product. So what I need to do, I just need to copy this prompt and I just go to any kind of platforms, maybe in chat gpt or something like. So I need to go to chat gpt. Okay, so the same prompt I have to paste here. I don't have to manipulate. If you want anything else in this, so you can just manipulate or modify the prompt. Otherwise, you just have to hit the enter. And now your content will be very refined, very different what you give you as a normal prompt to ChatGPT. You can see that I just asked for the buyer persona. And just let's suppose I was just planning to create a digital product for students. Okay, so students can get help with the tools to manage their study and their life. Okay, so I just need a buyer persona who could be the student. So it gives me a detailed persona that age could be 18 to 24 years old, education level will be undergraduate or freshers to senior, uh, freshman to senior, study habits will be this, technology performance challenges faced in, what kind of challenges they face, so that my product will be suitable for them. They are facing the challenges with time management and balancing academic, social and work responsibilities, stress and anxiety. So that's how beautifully you can create chat gpt prompts. Okay, so let's assume I just give this basic prompt to chat gpt. Okay, and if suppose I just create chat gpt this content, let's see how it works. Can you see the difference? It gives me a very basic information, basic demographics, academic demographics, psychographics, pain points, goals and challenges, technology proficiency. And here you can see that that is totally a massive different results. Okay, it is more detailed, more relatable rather than this. Okay, so that's how you can create prompts with the help of other prompt generation tools. You can create any kind of images, any kind of tools. Even you can create awesome content with the help of AI. But don't use chat gpt for your primary research. You can do primary research with the help of perplexity. Then later on you can utilize these tools to create your day-to-day content. Even you can create a content for your social media, you can create a content for any kind of platform. You need to be active on every platform. LinkedIn is very good nowadays. You can give a leverage to LinkedIn to attract your target audience, or to attract your like if you are a job seeker, you can attract your employer. Okay, or any business or a owner or entrepreneur with the help of LinkedIn or any kind of social platform. If you are an influencer, you can give a leverage to these platforms. Let's suppose I just give you another scenario for this, and before that I just give you another example of tool. Okay, so let's come to the medical science. Let's suppose if you are facing any kind of challenges in your medical life, or if you are looking for any help for any uh, friend or might be your relative. So this is medicalchatdata.com. This is a very helpful for a helpful tool for basic interaction. Let's suppose you have a prescription but you don't understand what kind of prescription that is, like what you have to do, what kind of medical prescription they have given, you don't understand, right? So here you can utilize this tool to get a better understanding about your medical history. Okay, so here you can give basic understanding what kind of tone you can set. You can set any kind of tone. Let's say I just want to understand about what is sthama and how to deal with it in very initial stage. So now this is not going to work like as in chat gpt, because this is trained based on medical histories, medical understanding. So you can see the results. I just give a basic command to this, what is asthma and how to deal with it in very initial stage. So it gives me the complete detailed information about the history of any medical situation. Getting it? What are the trigger advices, medical management, how you can educate for that, how your lifestyle can be. So entire difficult situations, entire different detailed scenario you can get with this tool. I hope you understand the situation and things how we can give the leverage of this technology and how we can utilize these kind of tools in our day-to-day operation and day-to-day life. Okay, so this is very good tool for medical understandings. Okay, so let's understand about a very good scenario about our daily social media management. Let's assume we just want to manage our content on social media. Okay, so let's move to our first LinkedIn. I give you an example how we can give a leverage of social media content planning and content creation based upon our basic understanding. Okay, so you know that chat gpt has this attachment button in free. I'm using the chat gpt free version. You can see here that I'm not using right now the plus version. You can utilize the plus version for getting more accurate result. Okay, so right now I'm just giving a basic snapshot of free chat gpt version. You can see that we have this attachment kind of button. So I can attach any kind of information whichever I have available on the file format, PDF, text, doc. So I can just attach it here and I can just utilize that information to nurture my chatbot. Okay, so I have a very basic file here. Okay, so I have a template. You can see that. Let me share it with you. Maybe you are able to see that screen. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, so here I have 61 proven social media templates. Okay, so let you see that these are the working social media templates framework. Basically, these are the framework which people are using. You can see these kind of posts mostly around social media. Okay, so these are the accomplishment of lesson. This is the template framework. Okay, so these are the templates, bad versus good. These are the Twitter template. You can see this is the example how we can nurture this example, how we can utilize this template. So this is the 61 steps template for utilizing it for social media, either even for Twitter, even for LinkedIn. Okay, so how we can utilize this template with the help of chat gpt. Okay, so first of all I just have to log in normally in the chat gpt. Then I have to go to this attachment section and I have to upload the same file which I have just shown to you. Okay, so here I have attached. You can see it is uploading here. First of all, I have to ask with ChatGPT what kind of document I have attached here. So normally I wrote this. What is this? And just talking with ChatGPT. So you can see that it gives me the context. This is Jayant Kumar Pandey's proven social media templates. Okay, so this is like he understands the documents. Got it? So now I give you the next command. Can you give me the framework names used in this document? So I'm just reading the document with the help of ChatGPT. You can see that I have just shown the same framework to you. Now I'm not going to read all the documents. It is giving me the entire framework here only. Okay, accomplishment lesson, bad versus good, beginner tip. So all these are the pillar content for social media. These are the trending top trending content ideas which I can leverage to social media. Okay, so let's suppose I just want to utilize this format. Okay, okay, so now I need to give the context. Now I need to give the topic, on which topic I need to utilize this framework. Let's suppose I'm just writing on business growth. Let's see how it gives a result accordingly. You can see that it is giving me a complete context that how I can create the content for this particular framework. Okay, so here I need to give some inputs. Okay, so let's see. This is the context. As an entrepreneur running an automation and marketing agency, I'm always looking to ways to optimize process and driven results for my client. This quarter, we focused for enhancing. Here are 5 lessons I learned in 3 months. Automation is a key, personalization matter, data driven. Hope this is helpful. And this is very interactive post I have created with the help of this particular lesson and accomplishment framework. Can you see this? How beautifully it is giving me the content based upon the framework which I have uploaded it. Okay, let's suppose I just want to utilize another pillars framework. Okay, write me another post for lead generation in framework, because I have already given the narration, so I don't have to give another narration to ChatGPT. Now it gave me the social media post with X pillars. You can see 5 pillars for effective lead generation. This will be the title, and then you can how you can do it. It gives me the practical things. Okay, and these are the actionable content you can see, right? So that's how you can give a leverage of social media marketing or content creation or even audit or profile optimization. See, limitations, there is no limit of AI, there is only limit of our human minds. Okay, that how we can utilize or how we can leverage these technology in our day-to-day life. Even we can do the same thing with the help of bird, we can do the same thing with the help of Microsoft code or copilot, okay, or any other tool, right? But we have to define a framework how we have to utilize these tools. As I just mentioned, then you have to do research with the help of perplexity. This is the specific tool to do or perform a research, because this is basically a knowledge base of AI resources. So this we give a leverage to understand the technology, to understand the content around the globe. This is the first must have research tool. Don't do the research with the help of chat gpt only, because as I mentioned, this is not updated tool. The information is only updated till 2021. Either they are updating slowly, but mostly up to 2021 only the data has been updated. So if you need more accurate information, more reliable information, so you have to give the leverage of perplexity tool. This is more advanced and research tool which you can give a leverage. Okay, so then how you have to utilize this chat gpt, I gave you the example. That's how you can generate the content, how you can curate the content with the help of chat gpt. And also we can do day to day tasks, or even we can scrap the data from various resources and we can format it as well. I give you an example. Let's say I'm on Google and I'm searching for any, let's say I'm in a sales field. Okay, and I just want to generate some leads with the help of Google. Okay, so I'm just giving restaurant in Bangalore. Okay, if I give this results, you can see that these are very generic results. Okay, if you know about the advanced modifier, okay, so I'm just giving an advanced modifier after this, after the comma, that I just want results from phone number, or sorry, email id. So now you can see that only the results populated here are having the restaurant in Bangalore and only having email id with them. These are the results I have procured. Okay, let's suppose these are the results. So first of all, the page is very only showing the 10 results. So first of all, I need to change the settings of the browser. I just need to go in tools and settings. Here I need to change the results. I can even more filter here. I can just search for languages. This is the advanced search which you can directly do there. Okay, the same result will be populated here. Now what you have to do, whenever you are just like right now I'm not able to see the results, that I can just see more result than 10 pages. Otherwise you have to go one by one on every page, and you had just, now what I need to do, I just need to copy paste this information. Okay, I just need to copy paste this information, and I just need to come back to my chat gpt, and I need to format this data and use business name and email id and phone number in table format, and then I just need to paste the data. And be remember, the free tool only allows us to paste a limit certain of limited data. So better is that you just need to paste it into a text file and then attach here and then do the same thing what I have done. So you can see that I have just posted the data, and then you can see that I have just procured the 10 leads all formatted here: the business name, the email id and the phone number. Can you see the power of chat gpt or ai tool, that how we can leverage the ai tool in any kind of industry? That's how we can grab lots of data in free. This is the total free method, free technology. If you want to understand the power of ai, you just have to give the leverage of these tools in your day-to-day life. Okay, so I hope you understand my like process and workflow. So that's it for today. Okay, so let's come to the slide again. I just need to come back to my slide to complete the presentation. If you have any doubt, if you have any query related to this process, just do let me know in the comment. Okay, and if you want to understand more, I just share you the resources what I have shown to you. So meanwhile you can just later on you can just have these things on the comment section, so you can just extract all the list of tools what I have shown in the comment section. We will push like pin you the comment so you can grab all the tools list what I have shown here. Okay, so let me come to the presentation. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for being with me and to understand and the witness of AI technology, that how we can give a leverage of AI technology. AI is like doing awesome and playing a very vital role to like nurture our life. So we can say that AI is not something which is only fascinating. It is something which we can utilize in our day-to-day operation in day-to-day life, so that we can just utilize this information in like every era. There are lots of number of AI tools available by which we can give more leverage to our life and more productive ourselves. Okay, so this is very small session by where I can just walk around all the tools very quickly. So I know that these are tools which like you have gone through. These are not up to the mark as per your requirement. If you need any dedicated video for particular tools, so definitely I will love to share the tools details video with you. You can just comment it. So based upon your comment or interest, I definitely do the video for you. So thank you very much to host me on this platforms. I will be very happy, more than happy to onboard with GSOC, the Girl Summit, uh, who have hosted me, who have allowed me to share my knowledge with you. And I hope that you guys are understanding the power of AI technology and like witnessing the AI emerging technology. And I request you all to give a leverage of AI technology, what is emerging right now and what is trending going through around the world. Okay, so you just have to utilize in a right manner. That's how you can utilize it. Don't only utilize the one tool like chat gpt. There are multiple tools available around the globe, so you just have to give it a leverage of all the tools. Okay, there is another tool Krutrim, which I have like due to time limits I was not able to give you the walkthrough, but there is a Krutrim India made AI tool which you have to try it. That is also a very good tool which you can try it. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for hosting me today. That's like that's all for today. We will like meet you soon in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.